First man in India. Who is the India's first president? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the India's first prime minister? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the first president of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. Who is the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Badruddin Tayyibji. Who is the India's first Muslim president? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first British Governor General of India? Lord William Bentinck. Who is the first British Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who is the first Governor General of Independent India? Lord Mountbatten. Who was the India's first Indian Governor General of Independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. The first man who introduced printing press in free India? James Hicky. Who is the India's first man in space? Rakesh Sharma. Who is the first Chinese traveler to visit India? Yan. Who was the first person to receive Stalin Prize? Saifuddin Kichlu. Who was first person to resign from Central Cabinet? Shama Prasad Mukherjee. Who is the first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Hiralal J. Kania. Who was first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics? Dr. Amartya Sen. Who is the India's first Chief Election Commissioner? Sukumar Sen. The first person who received Magsaysay Award? Vinoba Bhave. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.